We are starting our adventure from Mannheim city, taking the Intercity Express train to Munich. It is a high-speed train that connects all major cities in Germany with speeds up to 300 km per hour. This is one of the fastest ways to travel between cities. And in Munich, we will then transfer to a regional train that will take us directly to Salzburg main train station. So our train will leave at 7:30 in the morning, and then after 3 hours we will be in Munich. Then we will take the regional train, and that's another 2 hours drive until we reach Salzburg city. Nawala ang mga boys.
Amigo, siguro ka nag-umpisa nag-invite mo na. Hala mo, kinsa na.
Magtubil na.
Gawas sa paso.
Masunod man na.
Mga plastic.
Dili ko yung mga muli.
The Hab-Hab Group.
Mga muli.
No, mas lami ni ma'am kay ka ng mango. Mga busy, mga
Asa naman may
buwan.
asa
mo itong
Asa man ang mga food? Ibutang na ang mga food.
utang na itong kay para.
Hi guys, we are approaching Munich main train station. Then we're gonna catch our train to Salzburg, Austria.
Ma'am, di jud ma'am.
Wala man ni practice.
We just arrived in Munich, and kadako ba ining ilang kuan net? So that's the train we were.
Nakatamak nag-mention o kayo paano din.
Our train going to Salzburg. We are going. Now we are leaving Munich and we are bound to Salzburg city. We could see there's a lot of people queuing there because it's Oktoberfest season. So most of the people coming here, they have to drive with the train so they could take alcohol. Nag-ready pa ang amang sir sa among groupie. And here we are, Salzburg at last. So our first stop, picking up the 72-hour Salzburg card for just 46 euros. This card is such a great deal. It covers public transportation, including the funicular ride to the fortress, Untersberg cable car ride, and the riverboat ride. And this card gets you into loads of attractions around the city. For more information, check their website. You will find the link in the description. We're going to take a bus to the hotel, and I think our hotel Holiday Inn is not far away from here. So it's coming. Number 2.
Hello. Welcome world.
And the bus. The Hab-Hab Group. We're heading to our hotel. Welcome to Salzburg City. So we are now in the hotel Holiday Inn in Salzburg City. We just have to wait until the rooms are ready. It will be ready at 3 o'clock, but we already did our check-in. So this is the Holiday Inn. reception. This is the elevator. This is their bar, lounge area. It looks nice. And that's the breakfast area. Actually, this hotel is a really good choice for us because it's not far from the main train station, and nearby are supermarkets and bus stations. So, this is our bedroom. And that's my roommate, Atalia. We have our cabinets there. We have the safe. We have the mirror. Yeah, nice. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. So this is the shower room. Not bad. I think it's nice. It's our view outside. That's the rent. Our room. Hi, Atelier.
Hi.
We share this room.
Very nice.
Very nice, no? Simple, but I think it's nice. So guys, we are outside the hotel, our day 1 in Salzburg City. We kick off our sightseeing with a visit to Mirabell Gardens. Sound of Music fans, you might recognize this place. It's where Maria and Von Trapp kids danced and sang Do Re Mi. It's just 2 bus stops away from the hotel. So we are just here in Mirabell Garden. We are... Oh my God! Prince Archbishop Wolf Dietrich von Reithenau had the palace built in 1606 for his mistress Salome Alt and their 15 children. His successor Marcus Siticus banished mother and children from the palace, which he renamed as Palace Mirabell. Eventually, the site was reconstructed as a Baroque palace complex. Today, this palace houses the offices of the Salzburg mayor and the municipal administration. The Marmor Saal is now considered one of the finest wedding halls in the world. This Mirabell Garden is one of the principal settings in the Hollywood musical, The Sound of Music. In the film, Maria and the children dance around the Pegasus fountain behind Mirabell Palace, singing the song Do Re Mi. At the end of this scene, the Trapp family line up the steps here for the finale. The unique view through the Mirabell Garden to the palace has since become world famous. It's really nice. It's a smaller city than Vienna. Orderin na lang ko diri ana. So we are going into a Thai restaurant this evening. And so this is the restaurant. Avocado, tuna fish. Oh wow, this restaurant is beautiful. So this is our table. Kisay gagmay, Ken. Oh, this is beautiful. Huh? Oo, lagi. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food, son.
Thank you.
Naman kay rice niyo.
Nako tayo fried rice.
Uy, kaon mo ano po.
Sus, patra ka po kung sa pagkaon na.
Dito do, but